As you see, I'm reading my voltage is 10.44. That is the voltage that is coming in. Then once I release the switch, it switches back to 0.546. So that tells me the switch is working. The ground is good, because you can see if let me take you back to my hand. You see that little switch there? Once I press it in, the voltage goes to 10.43. Then I release it. I release the switch button. I'm receiving the voltage at 1 point, which is not bad, depending, probably have a bad ground. 0.9, 0.7, about there is good. So the switch is good. So that thing tells me the switch is good. So we've confirmed we don't have a bad switch. So the next possibility, so I've eliminated the issue of a bad switch. So we are remaining with two options. Either we have a short to ground to this wire, or we have an IC in the dashboard that is cooked. So the next step I want to check for a short to ground. See if my wire is shorted to ground. That's why the light keeps on remaining on. So I'm going to unplug this switch. You see this switch? Yes, I've unplugged that switch. Then I'm going to change my voltages to resistance and continuity. I want to see if you're having any continuity and resistance. So let me give you the gist in this. So if we have a short to ground, I'm going to see as 0. It's going to give me 0 ohms, meaning we have no resistance, everything is smooth to ground. But the ideal thing I should see is OL, meaning it's not shorted to ground. So that is what I want to check next. Stay with me. So as you can see, I have unplugged the connector. I want to check for short to ground. Yes, so I've set everything up, and you're seeing you're reading OL ohms, so meaning we don't have a short to ground. So this is going to be a sad news for the owner, because the only way you're going to fix that light is if you change the IC in the dashboard. Yes, so that was a quick one. I think the issue is now with the dashboard. I've done my diagnosis. I've seen it's not a switch. You don't have a short to ground. So the only possible thing that can be doing this car, based on the handbrake switch, is if you have a shorted IC circuit that remains on. So either the solution is only just to replace the entire dashboard, because it's very hard to isolate the IC specifically for the handbrake, the LED light for the handbrake lights. So the solution, I think, will just replace the entire dashboard. I'll keep you updated once the dashboard is replaced. I'll give you a heads up. Thank you. See you next time.